Kubor nagaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Conrad Kiesangma hakasngi balang ulaang bakadan ka Jingïaid ki kenhon king ater Rilum Garo. Ka jingkran jong Conrad kalong singi hadien baki pulut keliyo ban set yap yo wei breu hajan tura ya ka baula kena baula set shwama shaki pulut ki bedang pelong ya ka jikhenra. Conrad ulaang baki bol pulut ki pelong ya ka jing pahara bat ka jikhenra haki district khnang ban te lakam ya ka Jingïaid ki khot ki kenhon Lehnoh. Henry Conrad shimlai thu ne jar kerteng ya kita ki kinhon Lehnoh ki badan.
Militants who are trying to recruit the youth out. So what is your take on that?
These facts are being examined right now, but definitely we have got input and intel that there is movement that's taking place, and that's the reason why the overall intelligence and checks and operations being conducted in every district have increased. And that is why yesterday also there was this incident that took place in Tura. So we are very much aware of it. To specifically mention any group would not be appropriate right now without proper intel on it. But yes, the movements are taking place. Information is there with us regarding all these aspects. But I would not want to name any organization as such right now at this point in time.
So one supplementary. The Congress has said that they have been raising alarms about this in the floor of the House, and time and again you have the state government has had an adamant attitude. So what is your take on that?
I don't understand what the adamant attitude would mean, but absolutely when it comes to law and order, the government and the police department has been very alert, and that's the reason why all these operations and all these movements have been taking place. So there's no question of adamant, or there's no question of government not acting on it. Whatever response, whatever information that we get, or whatever suggestions we get from anybody, in fact, for the matter of fact, opposition or even the public as a whole, it's our duty to respond to it in a positive manner, and we always do that.
Okay.